indulge. So I was talking to a friend today, and a buddy of mine, he's hitting it hard. He works for a company, and the normal progress level is 10, 15 tickets a day for their technicians. He's crushing 70 a day. He's kicking fucking ass. Plus he's doing his projects. Management tries to cut him back. He says, "You cut me back, I'm leaving. I'm going to another company." So they say, "Well, shit, this motherfucker can clear 70 tickets a day. Fucking, he's making us money." So they give him 70 tickets a day, which is against their SOP. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. I'm just averaging. We were having a discussion today because I invited him over to cook steaks on the grill. Got the grill sitting right over there. We're going to get it going in a minute with some potatoes. He can't come down. He's where he's talking. They got some bullshit going on at work. And he got bumped to lead supervisor for his region, which means he's got 4 or 5 techs under him. And the company's losing money because of a problem. So the company, in knee-jerk reaction, decides, well, we're going to do this. Not realizing that by doing this, they're going to allow all of their employees to simply fucking slack, clear 10 tickets a day, and not do shit. And within 3 days, because this happened on Wednesday, within 3 days, they figured out, fuck, we created a problem here. And his manager, his regional manager, I think it's regional, or it might be district, I'm not sure. He's like, X, I'm not going to use his name, X, starting Monday, we're giving you your 100 back a day. He gets 100 tickets a day. I think that's the number he used. And we need you to solve the problem. It's like, not my problem. And I'm listening to him tell me the story. And this is the lesson I want men to take away. I'm not related to this company. I don't work for it. It's not my problem. I'm listening to a buddy tell me what's going on with his world. Instantly, as soon as he starts telling me what the problem and issue is, in my mind, I'm sitting there thinking about solutions to that problem. And it's not even my company. This is men. The second you tell us about a problem, subconsciously or consciously, we instantly begin to think about a way to solve that problem. It's what we do. It's what we built for. We are solution makers, providers, protectors. We instantly think of a way to solve a problem. So I'm sitting there listening to him tell the story, and I'm realizing in the middle of it, I'm trying to come up with a solution to the problem. Well, have they thought of this? And they have thought of that. And I got halfway through the first solution. I'm like, this ain't my problem. It's not my company. I don't have a dog in that race. And I stop him and say, X, I love you, bro. And I'm sitting here. I need you to stop because I'm going to listen to you. But I want you to know I'm sitting here thinking of a way to solve your company's problem that even you don't want to solve because it's not your problem. And he laughed and he said, yeah, I know, don't worry about it, or something to that effect. But we're interacting because he used to do a little bit of men's content too on YouTube. He's not there no more either. YouTube's a shit show. Or not YouTube, I'm sorry, TikTok. He was on TikTok. But we're sitting here as two men, two brothers, close. We're thinking, we're just commiserating. We venting to each other. We tell each other about each other's problems. Have cigars, have drinks, have steaks. He couldn't come down this weekend. He's coming down next weekend. We're going to barbecue next weekend. Steaks on the grill, maybe some ribs. And then have a cigar and some bourbon. But he laughed about it. And he's like, don't worry, it's not your problem. So I know it's not my problem, but I was still trying to solve it. And he's laughing and I'm laughing. And I said, I'm going to do a video on this later, X. because men need to understand you are a natural problem solver. You're naturally inclined to solve problems. This is what we do for women. And you men out there in relationships, some of you have learned you have to ask, do you want to vent or do you want me to solve the problem? Because if you want me to solve the problem, you need to shut up and listen. And if you want me to vent, or if you want to vent, then I'm going to shut up and listen to you, and that's it. Smart men learn that. But men, if you are not naturally thinking about a way to solve a problem when something is presented to you, there's something in you's missing, because that's what we naturally do. And if you do catch yourself trying to solve problems and you stifle yourself, don't do that, because that's what keeps your mind thinking. I mean, I'm still sitting here thinking about a way to solve this problem, or solve the company's problem, rather. Not naturally, I'm not thinking hard on it, but I'm just problem solving, because that keeps you mentally young. Problem solving and thinking. Men, embrace your natural masculinity. Be who you are. Don't let women bullshit you. Don't let the world bullshit you. And stay on your grind.